To clear shipping info in Telegram, in Android phone, open Telegram app, tap Telegram to open, and then tap more icon or three line icon, select settings. Next, tap privacy and security, and then scroll down the screen on goods and websites, tap clear payment and shipping info, and then check uh, shipping info. Tap clear all to clear all shipping info. Delete your shipping info and instruct all payment providers to remove your saved credit card. Note that Telegram never stores your credit card's data. Tap clear of user. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.